A factory reset restores your Xfinity modem to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords and port forwarding rules. This is different from a simple reboot, which retains your settings. It's useful for troubleshooting connectivity issues, resolving forgotten passwords, or addressing potential security vulnerabilities. Before proceeding, back up any custom settings you want to keep, either through the Xfinity app or the modem's admin page, as this process is irreversible. There are two primary methods for factory resetting your Xfinity modem. The first involves locating the recessed reset button, typically on the back or bottom of the device. Use a paper clip or pin to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the modem's lights begin to flash. The second method utilizes the modem's web interface. Access it by typing 10.0.0.1 into a web browser. Log in using the default credentials, often admin for the username and password printed on the modem's label. Navigate to the Advanced or Administration section, then select Factory Reset and confirm. The modem will then reboot to its factory default state. Note that after the reset, you may need to reconnect to Xfinity's network via the Xfinity app.